Do you want to unrestrict someone on Facebook? You can unrestrict a friend on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unrestrict someone on Facebook. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, go to the profile of the person you want to unrestrict. Now, tap on the Friends button located below their profile picture. A pop-up menu will appear. From here select Edit Friend List. Now a new screen appears showing different friend list categories. Find and uncheck the restricted option by tapping on it. Once you've unchecked it, tap Done or simply go back to exit the screen. Now, the person has been removed from your restricted list and can see your shared posts based on your privacy settings.